Nak, magre-record ulit si Papa ng part 2. Ha? Sa holiday naman. Love you, Jace. Love you, Ma. Panoorin nyo to, ha? Love you, Nay. Love you sa mga taga-Mundo. Love you sa mga taga-Manila. Love you, Abby. The dawn is breaking. A light shining through. You're barely waking. And I'm tangled up in you. Hello, John. Kamusta na lang dyan, agad. Panood mo to, sabihin mo. I'm open your clothes. Where I follow you go. I worry I won't see your face. Light up again, even the best fall down sometimes. Even the wrong words seem to rhyme. Out of the doubt that fills my mind, I somehow find you and I collide. Love you, Abby. Love you, JC. I'm quiet, you know. You make a first impression. I'm found, I'm scared to know I'm always on your mind. Even the best fall down sometimes. Even the stars refuse to shine. Out of the back you fall in time. You somehow find you and I collide. Don't stop here. I've lost my place. I'm close behind. Even the best fall down sometimes. Even the wrong words seem to rhyme. Out of the doubt that fills your mind, you finally find you and I collide. You finally find you and I collide. You finally find you and I collide. I love you sa lahat ng mga taga Mindoro. Miss ko na kayo lahat. Sana mapanood nyo to at nang parang kaharap nyo rin ako palagi. Nakikita nyo ako makakanta. Bye bye. Tapos na. Thank you.